Today on Cambly, I spoke to one of my students from Saudi Arabia, and she told me about a delicious meal she has that is traditional from her country, and I helped her read the recipes in English. Today, I would like to share this recipe with you and tell you why Cambly is the best tutoring company. So here are the ingredients, which include cumin, coriander, and many more garlic. I'll put the recipe below. So reason one why you should join Cambly: it is extremely flexible. You can make your own schedule according to your lifestyle. Are you a morning person, night person? You can choose the time that's best for you. Alright, so then I have to mix in all the ingredients with the ground beef. So I have some salt, some cumin, coriander, white pepper powder. Reason number two, you can work from home wherever your home may be. If you want to travel, you can take Cambly with you and make some extra cash. So now I just have to mix in my egg with my breadcrumbs and add it to the ground beef and some milk. Super simple recipe. So reason three, you can meet people from all over the world just like me. And I was able to learn so many amazing recipes from friends from all over the world just because of Cambly. So you'll have a lot of fun and meet so many awesome people. Now you just take your skewers and add the meat mix to it, and when you do this, it should stick on well because of your breadcrumb and egg mixture. Man, I'm so happy that I met this woman on Cambly. Cambly isn't just teaching and tutoring, but you actually have a good time too and a great experience. So after this, I put them all out, as you can see. You can sprinkle some olive oil on top. You can decide if you want to grill these outside, have a nice barbecue, or grill it in your oven. I decided to grill it in my oven. So I just put some olive oil on the top, a little more sprinkle, and now it is ready to go in the oven. Finally, reason number four. Cambly, you can speak with adults and have great conversations. Depending on the student's needs, you can also teach fun lessons using Cambly courses. All courses are very easy to understand, even if it's your first time viewing it. Cambly provides abundance of resources to assist tutors with fun, games, conversation starters, IELTS, and much more. Here's the final product. I'm so happy I was able to make some kebab, some Kefta kebab. I served it with some khubz, some nice bread, and some garlic paste, some hummus. You know what? Maybe next time I'll make some hummus, homemade. So here it is. It looks good. I think I'll make myself a little sandwich out of this. So here we have the beautiful kebab. I'm putting it into the khubz. Taking out, ooh, it's nice and steamy. Smells so good. Now I'm gonna add some garlic paste. Oh man, I can't wait to have this. I'm so happy that I'm a Cambly tutor and that I'm able to meet people from everywhere, expand my horizon, learn about these beautiful new cultures, and try these new foods. It is so awesome and so much fun. I definitely recommend that you also join Cambly. Please sign up today. Find my referral link below.